Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for coming and watching my video. I hope you will like it. So guys, let's make chicken soup noodles. So first of all, I cut the onion and garlic and the ingredients here. This is onion and garlic, and this is the celery. And this is the carrots and green peas, and this is red pepper and green pepper. So I fried first the garlic with the onion, and then now I'm going to put the celery and saute them together with the garlic and the onion. There you go. Let's saute them with butter or olive oil, or what kind of oil do you want to saute them. It's fine. Now we're going to put the bay leaves, like 1 or 2 bay leaves. It depends. I'm just going to put 1 bay leaf. Paste. Put some salt and pepper with the some pepper. This is my version of cooking, so I don't know what's yours. And now, because I am going to use the chicken in the can, so it's like tuna. This is what I drained. I drained the chicken in the can, packed chicken boneless breast, chicken breast. This is the pack of it, or you can use chicken thighs, make it boneless, or whatever, chicken breast fresh. It's okay. Now I'm going to put chicken stock, the one I freeze before. This is my homemade chicken stock. I put it in the freezer before. Maybe one day I will show you how I make my homemade chicken stock. Chicken broth, I mean, not chickens. Oh, maybe I think it's all the same. Yeah, let it boil to dissolve the ice. And also I'm going to use this one, chicken cubes. I will put it now so it will dissolve together in here. Or it's up to you if you want to put chicken cubes or without chicken cubes. It's your choice. It will dissolve together with this. Let's wait until the ice dissolve. Okay, now the broth is boiling. Let's put now the carrots, the vegetables here. You can put any vegetables you like that it's suitable to put with the chicken, with the vegetable soup. It's okay. You can put more celery if you want a lot of celery. But I think there's a lot already celery in here now. We have I think I put a lot of water in it. Put chicken stock on it. I'm going to put the sorry, I didn't show you the pasta I'm going to use. This kind, anyway, the kind of pasta you're going to use, because that is only very little. So I will add this one, long one. Because it's not enough. It's not enough, this noodles. There you go. When it cooked, let's cook this one because I'm using the canned chicken, the uncanned chicken. So that's why I put the noodles first. But if you are using the fresh chicken, you can put the chicken first. You can fry the chicken with garlic and onion, so that it's more tasty. But because I'm using the uncanned chicken, boneless chicken, it's like tuna, so I will put it in the end. When everything is cooked, then I will put the chicken in the end. Now let's put in the medium heat and let's simmer. Okay guys, now the noodles is almost done. It's time to, it's because it's up to you if you want it like this. It's up to you, but I'm going to put more water. I'm going to put more boiling water there. And then now I will add the bell peppers. I'll add the bell peppers, and then I taste the salt. If it's good, I think it's need to put a little bit more water, but I will just leave it like this because nobody is going to eat right now. So let's taste the salt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh God, no salt at all. Let's put more salt. I don't taste any salt at all on it. So let's wait a little bit longer to the salt to dissolve. Okay, then we will taste it again. I think it's all done cooked. Oh, so the chicken, that's why it's tasteless. It definitely need more salt. I almost forgot the chicken. Here is the chicken. Let's put the chicken. That's why I said it's missing something. Doesn't taste like chicken soup at all because it's just vegetables. But now we have the chicken. It's become chicken noodle soup with vegetables, but it needs more. Let's just boil this one. We're supposed to put this one before, a while ago, but I forget it. Doesn't matter. Let's boil and then taste the taste. Let's taste the salt again. Bismillah. It's perfect. Just boil a little bit and then it's done. When the chicken boils, it means it's done. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye bye.